Any court case depends on evidence.
Even a small amount of male DNA might have been the difference between a credibility decision or not on a sexual assault.
We are just beginning to understand the impacts after former CBI analyst Missy Woods admitted to manipulating data.
And if, in fact, the CBI report came back and said, well, there was no male DNA at all, that's really going to affect their perception of the credibility of the victim.
What 9 News legal analyst Scott Robinson is referring to is more than 35 out of 58 cases listed in the arrest affidavit where Woods falsely reported no existence of male DNA in sexual assault cases.
Why does that matter? Because in those cases, no criminal case was filed.
Robinson says this is new. We now know it's possible that people who should have been charged have walked free.
We can count on there being multiple efforts to get convictions thrown out. But what we can't do is resurrect the cases that were not filed. But the statute of limitations may have run, witnesses and victims may have moved, died. Trying to resurrect some of these cases that go back to 2001, and in one instance, 1996, is going to be impossible for most prosecutors.
No matter the outcome of Woods' case, that means victims or survivors may not have a way to move their cases forward.
One of the problems is that samples do deteriorate over time. And if there was only a small amount of male DNA in a sample in 2001, it's highly unlikely that there'll be less, if any, now.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.